What is up, guys? This is the Xbox sound video problem thing. So if you're like me and you're playing Fortnite and you got in 5th place and you died because you didn't have any sound, and you tried to fix it and you still couldn't get it. That's what just happened. I got 5th place, 3 kills. I would have killed this dude. I had the perfect loadout: gold burst assault rifle, blue tack, blue pump, and a blue bolt action. But if you want to fix it, you want to go to settings on your Xbox One, settings on your Xbox One, go to TV and One Guide, go to audio and video. Wait, yeah, you want to go over to audio. You want to go, not stereo, and then you want to put it on surround sound. And there, so you do it. Add me. Yes, I have to start a new account because on Xbox I can't get any of my skins like I had on PlayStation, so sucks to be me. So yeah, that's how you fix it.